Good afternoon. So it is a beautiful Saturday afternoon up here in northern Colorado. We're currently west of Lyons, Colorado on Johnny Park Road. I was actually out here with the Jeep Club last week and I enjoyed the trail so much I decided I wanted to come out and do a little solo trip. It's not too long of a trail at all. I'll probably be out here for about an hour and a half, but we're going up the beginning of this right now, and honestly, the thing I like about this trail, it's a lot of uphill rock climbing. Nothing too bad. You can pick and choose your lines. Every obstacle has an easy line, a medium line, and a difficult line. So I'm actually gonna get out and get started to record the first section of this. But yeah, let's enjoy the ride. Man, these are some real fun obstacles. And with the new lift, the new tires, getting through here it's fun. It's fun. It really shows you what your rig is capable of, and yet isn't threatening to throw you off the side of a mountain, you know? All right, so we're just gonna keep on keeping on through Johnny Park here. so that's what happens when you pick a wrong line. I just didn't have enough grip or power to get over that steeper part of the ledge. Maybe I should have rolled into it a little bit more, but I didn't realize I was still on the ledge as I was backing out further, and it just dropped. Thankfully, you know, no harm done. Just part of wheeling and getting over obstacles. You know, you think you choose the right line, it ends up not working out, and you got to readjust. All right. I will say though, that it's pretty gnarly stuff that this Jeep can now get over, and I'm thrilled about that. Also, look at this. Look where we are. I can never get over it. Wheeling in Colorado, in northern Colorado. It's really just so cool. And this Jeep is so cool. All right, let's go. Yeah, with these obstacles here in Johnny Park, you're definitely going to want to have your sway bar disconnected. I passed the Jeep. He was coming back out as I was going in. I stopped just to ask him if he had anyone behind him, and he asked me how far I was going, and I told him I'm going all the way. He apparently got up to basically the first obstacle. Him and his wife got spooked and they turned around, and I told him, I looked, he had low profile 35s. Not that those are really for wheeling, unfortunately, but I asked him, do you got your sway bar disconnected? And he said no, and I was like, yeah, no, if you don't have your sway bar disconnected, you will feel when your wheel goes down into a rut, it's gonna take the whole body with it because you have no travel with the sway bar connected. But yes, on Johnny Park Road, coming from the east side, you need all the articulation you can get in order to just have a good time going through there. Otherwise, you're gonna be rocking real hard, and it's just gonna make it more difficult for you. Yeah, it was a fun time on Johnny Park. Challenging, sure, especially if you wanted it to be. It's got a 4 out of 10 on Onyx. I say that's accurate. You know, it could definitely be intimidating for someone who's new to wheeling, especially who hasn't taken their rig off camber at all. But again, 4 out of 10 on Onyx, yeah, I agree with that. There's easy lines, medium lines, and pretty difficult lines. Depending on what you want to do, you can make it what you want. You know, I made it difficult for myself today, and it was a great time. This thing handled it amazingly, this Jeep. With the 3.5-inch lift, the 33-inch Toyos on it. She's rocking and rolling. I love it. I love it. All right, well, with that, I just got an hour ride home now, so I'll be cruising along. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.